Or want to kill him less? It's your call.
Oh, for the love of... Smythe! You dropped your wallet!
Thank you.
Well, there you go. You got a thank you. You feel better?
I'm starting to.
Look at him there. Just mocking me.
I felt bad, so I got you another bubbly head. This one's even funnier.
Mr. Bean.
He's funny, and yet he never says a word.
Taylor, what are you still doing here? Anna, stop wasting time and see about the ferns in the hall. And where is Crystal?
All right. How much to come out of retirement?
Little Missy Grumpaloo was out for a walk one day when she saw Grandma Grumpaloo drop a big bag of apples. Missy gathered up all the apples and gave them back to Grandma Grumpaloo. But Grandma Grumpaloo didn't say thank you, and Missy thought that was pretty lousy. But then, when Missy got home, she saw that Grandma had used the apples to bake a fresh, yummy pie. So Missy snuck into the kitchen and stole Grandma's pie to teach her a lesson about being grateful.